Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today, we'd like to present a modern and stylish 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located very near Kapitolyo, Pasig City. So this centrally located home has a very Pinterest style design. It has such a cool vibe once you go into the main living area and as we explore the bedrooms. But let's begin by taking a look at the first level here. This property has a lot area of about 156 square meters and a floor area of 325 square meters. So you have the first level with a parking area for 3 vehicles. And you have the service quarters here, which we will also explore later. The property is facing the west, and you have the morning sun on the other side of the property. And now we're heading on up here through these steps towards the main entry. This door has such a strong impact because this was repurposed from a giant double-doored entrance, and it's solid Nara, and it has such a stylish and design, giving you a lot of character as you go into the house. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You can feel every part of this house has love and care poured into it because the owners of this house put their heart and souls into designing and putting together the individual pieces, furniture, and accessories and design elements throughout this entire space. You have an open concept dining, living, and kitchen space, and it has a very relaxing feel. Let's begin here with your main living area. The first thing I noticed when I went into the space is the cool feeling comes from the rustic industrial tiles, which have a charcoal gray color, and that pairs very well with your brick accent wall here, which they whitewashed as well. So this is where you have your central console TV area, where this is Nara, by the way. And you have this L-shaped sofa here, such a relaxing place to just chill with the family. And on the other side, you have your open dining area. Which can very comfortably sit 8 people. If you want a bigger table in the future, the space can easily accommodate it also. And the entire space is so well lit because of these glass accordion windows. You can open these up completely, which leads you out towards a balcony space, which increases your entertainment area for the house. So let's open up one here. So the house has a tree positioned in front of it, and this gives it a lot of shade throughout the day because as you have the afternoon sun coming down here, this entire space has coverage and is quite cool. They have AstroTurf here, and this is a great area if you like taking care of plants, and an additional space to just read a book, have an area for like doing some work, lot of fresh air also, and the entire village is very private and peaceful. So here's another vantage point. You have your open kitchen space. Excellent for entertaining because you have 3 chairs here, and then you have customized cabinetry, beautiful wooden finish in terms of the design, range hood already included, lots of ventilation and light coming from this window, very accessible, lots of storage also. And what I like is, if you're standing over here, look at your view. Imagine you're preparing your breakfast, lunch, or dinner here, and then you can see your family just relaxing here, some guests having a drink on this side. It has such a easygoing feel for the entire space. Okay. And now on this side, you have a sliding door here, leading to your powder room. Once again, with a very stylish look. And then, to maximize the space, on top of the 3 bedrooms that we have on the 3rd level, you have a space-saving sliding door here, leading to a den area. This is a multi-purpose room. This can serve as a home office with this desk area over here with this window, and it can also serve as a movie room with a relaxing couch here. This is of course very cool with your split type aircon already installed, and there's so much character once again because you have a black brick accent wall on this side, which is consistent with what you have in the living space. Okay, you can make this a library space also. So just a cool additional space, and if you leave this open, it creates even a much wider feel as you go around your entire amenity space. Okay. Okay, now that we're finished with this space, let's now head on back towards the ground level where we have the service areas. Another great thing about this property is the entire service area is well laid out. So from here, you have access towards the parking area. So if you have some groceries, you don't have to go through the living space, you can bring them through here. This door leads to a storage space underneath the stairs. This is the maid's bathroom. And then you have a lot of pantry space here. This door leads to an auxiliary space at the back of the house. So this is an area where you can have your clothes drying space. And then you have an additional sink space here if you want to do some barbecues, heavy cooking, heavy washing. I like that they still had that brick accent even up to here. And then you have a proper auxiliary kitchen space here. They made some similar to a subway tiles design here. Okay, and on this side, you have a dining area for your staff. So you have your staff room over here, and then you have a storage room on this side. So you have 2 separate storage rooms. Before we head on up, I'll go back out here towards the garage space. because I wanted to point out that you have a bathroom here for your driver and you have a driver's room, just so that we cover all bases. So I won't go in because there's some personal items inside. So they maximize the space of the house because sometimes you have a large house but there's no proper area to hang clothes, there's no proper area for your staff. This is a very proper setup because there's space for you and there's space also for your staff. And now we're heading up towards the third level where you have 3 bedrooms. Before we proceed, the staircase, as a small detail, is made of Nara, and this is a cool design feature. They have a steel rope design which blends well with the rustic industrial feel of the living space. You have a large window here, giving a lot of natural light for your staircase. And then here, we're at the third level now. And now let's begin by taking a look at the 2 bedrooms here before we complete the tour with your master bedroom. So, every brother is a superhero. That's cute because this room is ideal for having kids. You can have a double bunk bed here if you'd like. Spacious enough with storage. And this is a nice feature, having this bay window here. So this is a great place to just relax, read a book. And then it has an ensuite bathroom as well. Air conditioning unit is already included. They even have an intercom also. And on the other side, you have your second bedroom. With a different design here. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. So, this entire space is great as a play area, especially if you have some young children in the family, and they made sure to have this really friendly design for the wall here. Aircon already included. Once again, very well lit. Having this small seating area is a nice touch, and then it also has its own bathroom. And now, welcome to your primary bedroom. Let me tell you, this is a gorgeous room in terms of the feel of the space. I always talk a lot about the feel because that's one thing that you as a viewer cannot feel as much as someone who's walking around the space. Having such an open area with almost floor-to-ceiling windows here gives you such a bright atmosphere for the space, and of course you can fit a California king-sized bed here if you'd like, and ample space for having 2 bedside tables and then a study workspace on this side, with plenty of space left over for your TV console space and an additional lounge area. So this is an area where you can just plop down and relax after a long day at work, before you take a bath and settle down for the rest of the evening. And on this side, this house is currently occupied, but we're gonna walk in so that you can see the space. You have a walk-in closet area, you see, lots of space, and now you have your main bathroom. Very minimalist, cool indirect lighting design for the mirror space. And then on the other side, you have your shower enclosure area. Okay. Sliding door here. It's a pocket sliding door to save space. And that caps off our quick house tour. In summary, this house has a lot area of 325 square meters with 3 bedrooms and a den room. It has a lot area of 156 square meters and is located in a private and secure community very near Kapitolyo, Pasig City, 10 minutes away from C5, EDSA, and Ortigas Business District. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.